Hello and welcome everyone. I am Sachit Jaiswal from Bangalore. This video is dedicated to the testing of GoPro Hero Jet Black 7 which I bought a week before. By the way, Hero Jet Black 7 is the latest model which is going on in the market. This is Nice Road, also called Outer Ring Road, which connects Bangalore to Mysore. This highway is very famous among adventurous people, especially among youngsters who do racing, good for testing bikes and all other riding activities. Let me add some more important info over here. Whenever Virat Kohli, the captain of Indian cricket team, visit Bangalore, he loves to drive Ferrari on this highway. Well, let's talk about my GoPro Hero Jet Black 7. The current video is running on 2K resolution with 60 frame per second. Remember, 2K resolution with 60 frame per second. Basically, when you go for riding and mountainous riding or any type of even cycling also, the frame should be at least 60 frame per second. Otherwise, there will not be any like stabilization. Okay, the video will not be stable. So yeah, and shutter speed is auto as of now. We'll try to change some more value over here. We'll configure in the next frame. Okay, let's enjoy. And let me tell you one more information. This GoPro is mounted on my chest. Okay, fine. Now this is new video frame. Okay, so I have made changes in some part of the configuration for the video configuration. So here what I have changes is, in the previous one the shutter speed was auto. Okay, now here I have done manually 480x. Why I did so? Because there was excess light outside, so in this case we have to increase the shutter speed. Now there is one more parameter which I changed it. I have changed one more parameter, that is FOV, that is called field of view. So in this frame the field of view is linear, and in the previous frame the field of view was wide. So in the next frame I will change once again the field of view as super wide. So in that is also called fish eye. So we'll see how the video got changed. Okay, enjoy. Fine, now this is a third frame, and in this shutter speed is 240x. Why I did 240? In the previous one I did 480, but here I did 240. Why? Because it is around 3 o'clock, so the light is quite dim compared to the afternoon time. Okay, so in this case we need more light. So once again I decrease the shutter speed from 480x to 240x. Okay, this is an option in the GoPro 7 for the configuration. Now what is the field of view over here? In this the field of view is white, and as you could see over here. So yeah, this is the two changes I did. Enjoy. Once again, welcome back. Now in this fourth frame I have mounted my GoPro 7 on my helmet, okay, to cover, like, to see like more views which are running into like adjacently. And in the previous one, all frames I had mounted my GoPro on my chest. Okay, now here the configuration of this video is shutter speed is same as previous one, 240x, but the field of view is super wide, also called as fish view. Why we do this thing is, in order to cover more adjacent views, we configure FOV as super wide. This is again like to make some more experiments and knowing what actually like in what way the video will be like more grooming. Okay, so these are like 4-5 experiments I have done, like in all. We will add one more frame in the next one, so we'll see like which is the better frame, and accordingly we will come to the result that now this is the final frame. Here the configurations are as follows: shutter speed is 240x only, field of view is wide, but the resolution is 4K. Now I have changed the resolution to the 4K. So this video resolution is 4K, one of the best feature of this camera actually. And yes, frame rate is 60 frame per second. You can't increase from like more than 60 frame per second in 4K resolution video. What will happen? The stability of the video will be like fabricated, and you will lose the grooming. Okay. Now this location is Electronic City flyover, one of the very famous overbridge, which is 16-kilometer long. I guess so. I don't have the exact data, but I guess 16-kilometer long, and also known as hanging bridge. Fine, this is the thing. And then yeah, do comment if you need any configuration tips in GoPro 7. Thanks a lot everyone for watching my video. Thank you. Have a good day.